Hello everybody. Let's see the price action on Monday this week, that is 15th June. See, morning at 9:07 a.m. the price was showing the opening at 23984. So before the market opens, we need to mark the nearby magnets, which has the tendency to draw the price later during the course of the market movements. So just above this opening level, we see a weekly high or swing high here. We see one more swing high here. And as I said, gap quadrants are very important in case of big opening. Now, when the market starts, this is the opening level. And these are the quadrants. If I mark the quadrants, it's around 23898 and the midpoint being 23807. For Monday, these are the strong magnetic levels. Now let's see how we can trade when the price is nearing those magnets. See, immediately after opening, the price rated the previous high, that is a weekly high or a swing high. See, suppose if the price breaks out above this day opening, we can think of targeting this 24089. And when the price, after creating some liquidity, we can target the first quadrant, 23898. Usually in my trades, I wait for the collection of orders. Here we could have taken an entry here when the price reached here. But if there is good momentum, if there is good heaviness, the price directly falls here. The price directly falls here. And see, suppose this could have been a trade taken targeting this. After price broke the small tiny order blocks, we could have taken any entry at any order block here. Stop loss being just above the order block and targeting the first quadrant. This could have been a trade, but I generally don't prefer this kind of trades. Price could directly reach the magnet, but I wait for some liquidity creation so that big players can raid the stop loss orders. See here, the trade did not succeed with stop loss being hit. Okay. See, now the price retraced again to the previous swing point, and let's see what happens next. See, now there is a strong algorithmic signature. A trend line is being created. There is a sharp inversion here. And if we mark the opening range here, see, the price sharply got rejected from the midpoint. Usually when it's difficult to establish intraday bias, I take midpoint as a supporting level to guide my bias. See, when the price broke sharply below this, got rejected below this midpoint, this order block could have been taken as an entry and targeting the upper quadrant. See, the price directly reached the upper quadrant, and also you can see the price being supported by the quadrant level, that is 23898. It broke down here. See, after price decisively broke this quadrant, weighing on the heaviness of the price, one could have taken a short entry here at this order block, stop loss above this liquidities, and targeting the midpoint of the gap. But here stop loss is hit. Next, see what happens. After sweeping this liquidity, the price inversed here and sharply fell, almost reaching the midpoint of the gap. See why this sweep is important. This is one of the ICT strategy where when the price opens, the price 70% of the times reaches the midpoint of the created gap. Considering this strategy, when the price swept this high, we could have taken a short entry here when the price made a market structure shift with an inversion. We could have targeted midpoint of the gap. We easily got around 1:3 risk reward trade. The price might have reached the target, but the trading hours ended at 3:30 p.m. This is one good trade. These are the 4 trades I can see on Monday, with 2 trades being successful and 2 trades hitting the stop loss. In the previous video, I was telling you the importance of gaps. This Monday itself, we got an opportunity to know how to trade using gaps with very big gap up because of the news. In this video, you saw a setup targeting the quadrant level and also a setup targeting the midline of the gap, which is a well-known ICT strategy where 70% of the times in gap up or gap down opening, price has tendency to reach the midline of the gap. Thank you.